Hey, I'm Brennan from the product marketing team at Snap, and I'm here to talk about promoting your app on Snapchat today. Snapchat's a great place for performance marketers looking to grow their businesses. That's because Snapchatters are primed to take action on mobile. In the US, they're on average twice as likely as non-Snapchatters to have made an in-app purchase, and 2.5 times more likely to have paid for a mobile app. You could reach this audience easily using our Ads Manager platform. It has all the tools you need to target Snapchatters most likely to install an app, sign up within an app, or make in-app purchases. In fact, Panini America recently used our Ads Manager platform to acquire new, high-quality users for the NFL Blitz app at a cost-efficient rate. The campaign saw a 58% lower cost per acquisition and a 20% higher view time from customers acquired on Snapchat when compared to other platforms. Snapchatters love discovering new apps, and what's great is that our ads are full screen and immersive, giving them a seamless way to swipe up and install. It's easy to get started. All you have to do is take your existing assets and use our Snap Publisher tool to create your Snap ads or story ads. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our website to learn more about how to get started.